Hello and welcome to CardsHQ Atlanta.
Culture Collision, day 2. We made it. We're a little bit late. That's okay. He had to get a fucking 3-hour trade done. And he did it. Yay! Let's get it. Run that intro. So yeah, last night, trade night was good. I was able to move a bunch of stuff I was just sitting on. So that was awesome. Shout out to everyone that cashed me out. Today I'm buying heavy today. That's my goal. Trying to grab a few more Pulisics. Trying to grab maybe an Mbappe auto. And then we'll see what else comes to the table. Yeah. We're gonna deal with my dude Ricky right here. He is a Englishman fan. There you go. Grabbing some nice Stanley Matthews. I appreciate you, man.
Absolutely, bro.
Woo, let's go.
My dude Anthony working deals over here. Anthony, what you getting done?
Couple deals for the kids. Ronaldo 2018 Laser Prism and a 2020 Osimhen.
Oh,
Purple Mojo for the kids.
there you go.
I'm over here working a deal with my dude Colin. 115 for a nasty Mbappe patch. I appreciate you, brother.
Yeah, thanks.
I'm working a deal with my dude Donnie Jones, another fellow Yankee fan. He is grabbing some big boy, literally big boy Aaron Judge cards. He's grabbing the Kaboom, the Downtown, and then a rookie card for $1,300. Easy deals, Donnie Jones. Thank you, brother.
Thank you very much.
We're gonna deal with my dude Brandon here. He is grabbing a nasty Pulisic patch auto. Look at the colors on that patch. We'll work the deal. 130 for the Pulisic, man.
Man, it's for my son, so.
For his boy. So if you're watching out there, shout your son out. Go ahead.
Yeah, Hudson's for you, buddy.
There you go. Got a good dad here, man. I appreciate it, brother.
Yeah,
Thank you, man.
thank you.
Awesome.
Not only collecting soccer, but love Supreme, love skateboarding, love surfing. This is for my kids. I'm a good dad. There you go.
Yo, I'm with the homie Cook Hype, man. He's always killing it out here, grinding his ass off. A couple of hundos for a nice white Pulisic auto, rookie auto. Hey, man, I appreciate it. For sure. Oh yeah, thank you, brother. That's a wrap. Day 2, Culture Collision. We're gonna get it popping. We're gonna get some food, and then we're gonna head over to trade night at CardsHQ. It's gonna be a good night.
Where we at, dog?
CardsHQ.
Right?
Right. Is this the new mecca of the sports card hobby? It's lit.
Hello and welcome to CardsHQ Atlanta.
Yo, man, working a crazy deal with my dude Legion of Boom Cards. Toss him some bread for this nasty DK Metcalf. True RPA. Look at that thing. Hey, I appreciate you, man.
Yes, sir. Easy deals.
Hey, Shy City. What you on the hunt for?
What am I on the hunt for?
Yeah.
Well, currently, right now, I'm picking 4 sets to give away on my live stream.
Oh.
But me personally, I'm always hunting for Justin Fields, man. Justin Fields is my guy. I want him to stay in Chicago. So hopefully he stays and my collection just continues to grow.
Guys, make sure to check out King of Collectibles Season 2 on Netflix. Coming sometime this year. I can't say when, but check it out.
Trade night at CardsHQ is freaking crazy. It is lit in here, as you can see. There's a million people in the place to be, but we gonna jump up out of here and head over to the other trade night, man. Shout out to Jeff Wilson and the whole staff here at CardsHQ, man. This is a beautiful shop. This is the future. Yo, I'm working a deal with my dude Yoni, grabbing some base set Zard action. Don't mind the glare. Some cash, man. I had to pry it out of his hands pretty much, man. So I appreciate the deal, my guy. I appreciate you. Doing a deal with my boy Nate right here. He wanted the gold Bellingham and the Mbappe patch, and I'm giving him a little bit of cash on top for a nice Jude Bellingham rookie auto. My dude Nate, I appreciate you, man. Thank you, man.
Let's flip.
2016 England and qualified for the Euros. And Vardy was the captain of that team. Not his fault. You would actually also come. I love you. Thank you, sir.
Damn it.
God damn it, huh? You're so happy right now.
Yeah, you're like, I know this motherfucker needs money.
And that is a wrap. Culture Collision Day 2 all the way over. Trade night is all the way over. I cannot wait to get some sleep. Stay tuned for Day 3. And don't forget, please like, drop a comment, and make sure you subscribe. Stay up. Yo, I almost forgot to show y'all my pickups from CardsHQ. Had to grab some Pele, obviously some Mbappe, and then I grabbed a nasty black diamond Tom Brady rookie card. Let's go.
That's all it was.